Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the MIUI 12 update for the Redmi Note 9. So Redmi Note 9 was recently launched device with Android 10 and MIUI 11 out of the box, and this device is priced around 11,999, almost 12,000 rupees in India. And this device comes with the Helio G85 octa-core processor. It has a full HD resolution display and a quad camera setup as well. So this device has got the MIUI 12 update. So let's go to the settings. So here you can see that about phone and the system update. So you can see here now the system update has come in. So it's MIUI version 12 and we get all these features. Let's just reduce the brightness. So you can see all the features here: system animations included, system visuals, privacy protection, floating windows, control center, dark mode, then home screen, weather. All the features are included here. So let's just download this update. So this is an OT update. In case you don't get the OT update, we have the link for manual download in the description of this video. In case you want to quickly get the update, you can manually download it as well. So this is the update, and you can see that all the new features of the MIUI 12 gets to the Redmi Note 9 as well. So we'll just download this update, then we'll update and quickly show you what all features it offers. So now we have upgraded to MIUI 12 on the Redmi Note 9. So you can see the new notification toggle. So this looks really good. Now if you swipe from the left side, you get the notifications, and if you swipe from the right side, you get the toggles. Then you can see the settings panel, the new UI. So there you go. So you can see about phone, Android 11, Android 10 and MIUI 12 global, and you can see this is the latest version available. Now if you go to the storage, you can see the new animation. So this looks really nice. Now apart from that, you get a lot of additional options as well. You can see the new UI, refreshed UI. Let's go to the battery and performance. You can see the new animations here as well. So there is a lot of features, including special features. The game turbo, floating window is something new. You can see that you can just drag any window from here and you can make it floating. So floating window is there, moving the floating window. So those things are something which are new. Then you get the other options like second space. Those things are already included. So these are the new features. If you go to the privacy options, let's go to the privacy here, privacy protection. So these are the new options in the privacy protection. So all these functions are included in the new MIUI 12 for Redmi Note 9. Then you also get the new dark modes. If you go to a display, you can see that the dark mode, you can adjust wallpaper to the dark mode as well. So this is the new dark mode, you can enable it. Then if you go to the app drawer, we'll just show you that as well. Home screen, let's see the home screen. So you can see here default system launcher, and home screen regular and app drawer version is also included. So this is the new app drawer. You can see that this is actually the Poco launcher kind of application. So it looks really good. So these are some new features included, and it looks pretty good with the new update. So that's the MIUI 12 for Redmi Note 9. If you can go ahead and update it, this is the latest version, and you can get MIUI 12 on the Redmi Note 9. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.